Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I made with the Chaps paper collection from Country Craft Creations. This is the fabulous Chaps paper collection. I picked up the 12 by 12, and I'm going to go through fairly quickly, but just to give you an idea of all the paper, and then I'll tell you a little bit about what I'm going to make and the fantastic addition at the end. So again, very masculine. It'll be great for a heritage mini album. Here are the cut aparts. Very easy to fussy cut. I'll probably do that while I'm watching TV, but a lot of times you'll get these pre-cut. We've got the Volkswagen, we've got cigars, tools. I'm holding a cigar, so yeah, I'm pretty busy. Cars, bikes, gas station, some kind of, trying to see if it says what kind of alcohol that is. Whiskey, maybe? I don't know my alcohols. So the cut aparts are great, and so is the sheet that they're on. So you get two of that, so you'll be able to use the cut aparts and then the back if you needed to. I guess those are labels and tags, and here are the cut aparts. So you get 3 that are 4 by 6, you get 4 that are 3 by 4, and then you get a couple of border strips. And again, you get 2 of those, and that's the back. Isn't that fabulous? Doesn't that look so dimensional? Like you could reach out and grab it. Now here are, you're going to get 3 of each of these. This is beautiful. I mean, it looks like vintage motorcycles done in tan and browns and black. It's just gorgeous coloring. And the back of this is like a newspaper, and again the same coloring, so this will make a great cohesive page. And then here we are with the, again, I can't tell you if that's supposed to be whiskey or bourbon or I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Beautiful colors again, lots of layers in this paper. You know, you've got the cigar box and the drinks, and then below it is just a beautiful color. Let's see. Yep. So this is what it is done on. It's just pretty layering. Like if you wanted to play with mixed media, it would take a year of Sundays to get this look. And here it is already for you. So those pages will look great together as well. And then this page is sort of a collage of different gas stations and that kind of thing. Route 66 is there. Harley Davidson. So this will appeal to anybody. And then here we've got the back of that. Sort of a rusty kind of look. I love it. I love that. I feel like I'm going to utilize a lot of the backs of these. The B side, if you will. Not that I don't like these, but I love these. I just think it's done very well. Here's a great page. Homer's gas station. It's got the gas there. A couple of the Volkswagens and the old style cars in front of a gas station. And very fun. Tire tracks. I was thinking that would be fun to put on the spine of the book. So I might do that. I'm not positive yet. Okay, and here for the tool man are the tools, hammers, screwdrivers, safety goggles. Always need your safety goggles. And all sorts of different tools and apparatus. And then the back side is, it looks like an old timey map, but it's just got a lot of the, because it's got the crisscross, but otherwise it's got gorgeous colors on it as far as a mixed media look. And this page is great. I hope I have some of this left over to make cards, because this would be fun just for some greeting cards for guys or girls. And then there's the back of that, which this is a fun compilation of all different car gadgets. Can you tell I don't know too much about car gadgets? I mean, there's a steering wheel. Okay. This is fun too. Just a grouping of pipes and widgets and that kind of thing, all sort of rusty and vintagey looking. And the back has a great plaid on it. And I like the fact that it's diagonal. That'll be fun. That'll add a lot of interest to a page, especially if you were to put a photograph over it. It's not all square, which I like that idea. Another great picture of a golf cart. And the back side of this is so much fun. It's the pattern on a golf ball. Isn't that cool? So that is going to be fun. And now I got a couple of things to go along with that. So I wanted to have some paper to make some photo mats. And so I chose this blue. This is My Colors Cardstock in Dutch Blue. So see, that goes really nicely with that. I probably will distress the edges. What did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of the 12 by 12 Dutch Blue. I also picked up some score tape sheets because these are great for making your covers. I got the 8.5 by 11 score tape sheets, so there is that. I got a couple of 8.5 by 11 chipboard to make my cover of my mini album. These are heavyweight chipboards. These are nice and sturdy to, again, make the cover and the spine. And then I also picked up an 8.5 by 11 Artisan cardstock linen black. So there are 25 sheets. I will not use any more than that. So that is what I'm going to start with as the base to make my album. And then last but not least, so this will show you a little bit of what my idea is for the cover. Ta-da! I got the mixed media fairy lights from Country Craft Creations. So I got this because, I mean, if you're going to make a mini album for a guy, who doesn't like widgets and whistles and bells and that kind of thing? So I thought this would be fun. Will it turn on? No, because it probably has that little thing you have to pull out just so the battery doesn't go bad. But I will use this to make the cover. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and just hang around for a little bit. And I will be coming up with the design of the mini album pretty soon. So that is the Chaps collection and all the assorted things that I will use to make a mini album from Country Craft Creations. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.